Connect Qdrant to N8N. So in this step-by-step 2025 guide, I will walk you through how to integrate Qdrant as your vector store. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Set up your Qdrant instance, either self-hosted or via Qdrant Cloud. Get your API endpoint and key ready. Step 2. In N8N, start a new workflow. Add an HTTP request node to interact with the Qdrant API. Step 3. Configure the request with your Qdrant endpoint, such as this link. And then choose the appropriate method like post or get depending on the task. Step 4. Add a node before the HTTP node to prepare the vector data, such as from a Notion doc, website, or form input. You will need to format it as embeddings. Step 5. This is an optional step. Add an OpenAI node to turn user input into vector format using this text or similar text. Step 6. Use another HTTP node to search or upsert documents in their Qdrant collection. Configure headers with your Qdrant API key. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.